Excellent. All right, a few more reps here. So we're keeping nice and soft in the elbow. We've got a little bit of flexion in the wrist. The abdominals are tight because the further that dumbbell gets away from the midline, the greater the hips want to roll and pull across. So our pec minor here is getting a really nice lengthen and strengthen, and that is the key to making proper change. You've got to lengthen and strengthen through a full range of motion. Okay, our second exercise for Joanne is a pec fly. So we've got a counterbalance on the opposite hand. Joanne's focus is to keep her shoulders and her hips nice and level. And then her cue is to imagine she's hugging a barrel, preferably a barrel full of single malt scotch. And she hugs that on the way back up to the top. And if she does a good job, she'll get a wee dram out of it as well. So this is stretching and lengthening tight pecs. They're going to contribute to an inability to get the arm overhead. So lengthening and strengthening the pec minor is a really good way to improve some overhead mobility.